Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to withdraw USDT from Binance to bank account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Binance application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, register to Binance if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the, official Binance application, where we have the markets. We have the Square tab. We have the tab where you can buy and deposit. We also have the Discover tab. And the last one in the bottom right corner is the portfolio. But now guys, let's see how to withdraw USDT from Binance to bank account. First of all, of course, you need to, as I said in the start of this video, go and log into your Binance account. Now after that, go to your fiat and spot wallet. So basically here, and you can then go and, as you can see, deposit, and here you can go and click withdraw, select the currency, USDT payment method, and withdraw info. So when you did that guys, now what you need to do is enter your card information and complete the security verification. Then wait for the withdrawal to complete. Alternatively, you can sell your USDT for USD or your local currency on a trusted crypto exchange that supports fiat withdrawals. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.